Hey guys, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the water filter on the Samsung refrigerator. The water filter location may vary depending on some models, but the process will be the same. Samsung has a built-in valve. When you remove the filter, it automatically shuts off the water, so you don't have to turn off the water to the refrigerator ahead of time. To remove the water filter, you will grab onto it and turn it counterclockwise. You'll move the arrow from the locked icon to the unlocked icon. Once you've done that, you can pull it out to remove it. Although there's a lot of aftermarket filters on the market, they're usually lower quality and they're not coming from trustworthy sources. If you want to make sure you get a good OEM quality filter, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. And you want to make sure you search with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator so you get the correct filter that works with your model refrigerator. To install the new water filter, you want to take note of the two arrows on the end of the filter. It doesn't matter which one you're looking at. Make sure one of them is pointing towards the unlocked icon. Push the water filter in and then turn it clockwise while firmly pushing it in until it locks into place with the arrow pointing at the locked icon. With the new filter installed, it's a good idea to run a gallon of water through the water dispenser to flush out anything in the system and also to get out any air that's in the system. Once you've done that, you can press and hold down the ice type / water button for 3 seconds to reset the filter indicator light. So that's how you replace the water filter on this Samsung refrigerator. If you have any tips or tricks, let us know in the comments below.